Well, not always. Those awards, then they don't always include everyone who ought to be included. But yeah, I consider myself fortunate. To me, any nomination for me or anybody involved in the movie, it just tells me that there's a certain amount of people, maybe a lot of people, who like this movie. So.
Ovunque proteggimi, Italian film, Sardinian film.
Sardinia. Can you tell me a little bit about the film?
Puoi dirle un po' del tuo film?
È un incontro tra due solitudini.
Yeah, pretty great role. It's incredibly surprising. I mean, no matter how hard you work, I don't think you ever...
I did not start at all. There were many fine African American directors before me.
And who are they? That's what I was hoping you were going to say.
Oscar Micheaux, Gordon Parks, Ella Van Peebles.
But I have to say, talking about football players, I think it's absolutely remarkable that people like Michael Phelps and many, many others are starting to come and talk about the challenges with mental health in the professional sports field.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, I mean, every moment I've just been thanking my lucky stars. I think as an actor, you just wait for the next phone call to come in and tell you have another job. So to be rewarded like this is above and beyond any expectation I've had, man.
It talks about like a singer and a single mom. They're very. It's a story about loneliness. They're very lonely, but somehow they run into each other, and they start like they take the same route. For some reason.
Ask him how it feels to have his film at the Santa Barbara International Film Festival.
Quanto te ne frega di avere il film qua al...
It's a good experience. Good. It's very good.
Well, we're good to have you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.